Hello guys, today we learn about the Staadpro software. We how to give the staircase with the help of the in the Staadpro software, and also we should add the lift also. Okay, now go for the Staadpro for software. Click on it. Okay, interface like this it will be there, and go for the new project here and click on the space option here, and this is the here we should add the staircase. And lift, and click on next option here and add the beams also, and click on finished. Then after go for the front view here and go for the here geometry and go for the run structure visual. Click on it. Until we wait the sun run structure visual open. Okay, here we should take the frame model and click on the by frames, and we should give the length for these sections. Height of the length is 3 meters of the height toward the starting point, and this is the length of the I will give that I will give the meter of 12, and I will give the length of 16 and the length of 16, and width is width also I am giving the 16, and next number of bays along the height, it will be consisting as height of the buildings, means the number of stories, it means number of floors will be available. Like this we can see here, and further I want to no need here this section for applying the first floor only. Click on it. Here we get the how many staircase, how many width and the length also we get here. Then after go in please close this profile and click on S mark. It will be click on right mark. Okay, it will be coming like this, and we should get the 3D view like this. We can see here. We should remove this surface. What is this? This is the plate surface and spar node beam, and remove it. It will be consist like this. And next we should add this section for the lift. Further I want to delete these sections. I want to delete if you want to delete the multiple choices further, please click on the control. Please select the control and select the beams and select these beams. Okay, I want to delete these beams too. Simply we can delete the option, and this beam also we want to delete. Okay, this section will be given the staircase for the lift spacing, and now we should add the staircase for this section. Further I want to go for the top view and select the one section, select view and go for the OK. Select this section and go for the 3D view. Here I want to add the staircase for this section. Further I want to select these beams, and further I want to add the node pressure here. Add the node points, end points, add midpoints and click on OK here. the midpoint was came here. Next, this point we should take the beam cursor, and also we should add this staircase. For that, select this beam and go for the insert node points and click on the midpoint here and click on OK here. We get the midpoint here. So I want to add it here midpoint. For that, I want to take a beam section here, add the beam here like this, and select this beam and create a midpoint here. Okay, we get the midpoint here, and so you select these beams and simply delete it. Okay, we did not get the midpoint. For that, again select these beam, escape and select these beam, add midpoints. Okay, we get it. We did not get. For that, I want to select this point and go for the node point and add the midpoint here and click on OK. We get here midpoint. For that, select this node point and click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V toward the downward direction. It means that we can see the direction here. Y direction, the height of the building is 3, and so for that I am giving the -3. We get the downward direction. So we should delete this node point and take a beam cursor here. Simply add it here for this section and escape it. And next step is add the plate for this section. For that, select this section like this. We can okay. The staircase was added here, and the next thing, select all and you click on the Ctrl A, go for the translate limit, and the direction is Y direction. Here is how many steps you need for requirements. I want to require 5 floors, and here we should aiming the spacing of 3 meters and click on the linker steps and click on OK here. It will be consistent toward the upward direction, so we get it here. And next step is select the plate circle and go for the translate limit and the Y direction. It will be consist as the 5 floors, and we can change as 3 meters height and click on OK. It will be a direct acting only. See, we can see in the how the plate was added here. This section we can see in the 3D view also. Here we can see that how the floor was added. Okay, like this we can see here. And next thing was I want to add the section of we delete the display. I want to add the different plates for this section. For that, go for the here, go for the front view here, and go first of all you should select the first level and go for the construction here, and this is the selective click on OK here. And next we should give this bit, we can give the 3D view, and now we should give the surface. For that I want to add these here. I want to add the toward the so first of all we should select these beams, and these beams and these beams. For these sections I want to add the node points. For that go for the node points here, click on node points and added node points. Click on OK here. We get the node points. And next thing was you should select this node point and Control C, Control V toward the X direction. So I want to give the X direction is 2 meters. And this is the length of the 2 meters length, so I want to give the for this section. Okay, and next thing was these node point you should select and Control C, Control V. And next thing was this toward the downwards direction. I need the downward direction for the entrance for this plate. So for that I want to give the downward direction. So for that the y direction, the height of the 3 meters height. It means be minus 3 meter, and click on enter. It will be coming toward the downward direction. So next thing was you took the not plate cursor here, and next added these sections for these points. We should add it. Okay, here we get the points. So we added the plate. How to add it we can see in the 3D view. See here the plate was how the plate was added for this section. We can see here. Okay, we can see here the whole the plate section are adding here. Next thing was you should apply to all the building, all the 5 floors. For that, I want a total structure. I want for that display whole structure will be the option, and click on it. It will be coming total structure. And next thing was you select these plates. Take a plate cursor and select the plates, and go for the translate limit at y direction here, and the number of steps is 5. The height of the meter is 3 meters height, and click on OK here. It will be applied toward the whole sections. See here how the plates was added. We can see here. We can see in the 3D view also. See like this we can see that. Okay. Okay. For this section was completed the geometry part. In next class we can continue on the general properties. In general, we how to arrange the supports and loads and giving the properties, some etc. We can see in the next class. Thank you.